Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are not wasting any time with taking the CBR 600 apart. We already had that swing arm off the bike. Everything is all nice and open in here. We've got parts literally all over the place. We've got our heat shield and rear set. We've got our old swing arm right there. Rear wheel is off the bike. I am going to be cleaning off this wheel, getting the rest of those decals off, getting a new tire on here. We've got our exhaust right here. We've got a ton of new parts that we are going to be opening up. This on the bottom, by the way, is not a microwave. This is our new swing arm. We've got our battery tray in here, a couple other little odds and ends in these smaller packages. So let's jump right into this and get these new parts opened up and get these slapped on the bike. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so we've got that new swing arm on the back of the bike. We've got this rear wheel all cleaned up, fresh rubber on here. This is looking really, really good. We still have to clean up this front wheel. It's just still really dirty, still has some of that residue from those stickers. Just look at that dirty front wheel and how nice this rear wheel cleaned up. This thing's looking super nice. So one of the other things that I did was we got that kickstand replaced. We got that new kickstand on there, and I went through and got our new throttle cables. Everything's nice and snappy now. I'll show you guys the old ones. So right here, these were our old busted up throttle cable lines right here, and we've got our nice crisp ones routed right here. So as you can see, we still have to get the exhaust on. I have to get the new battery tray in here. We have to get the airbox back in. But this thing is starting to get reassembled, and we are making progress with getting this thing built back up. In the next episode, I'm going to be cleaning this thing. We're going to be slapping more parts on this bike, and we're going to be getting this buttoned up even more. So be sure to subscribe if you guys have not already to this channel. We are going to be continuing this in the next episode for this rebuild, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.